Hello everyone, my channel Error Solution. Today I am discussing Laravel 11 full course and this part 157, how to create and use Enum in Laravel 11, and this my official website www.errorsolutioncode.com. Let's start this video. First of all, my gem server already started Apache and MySQL, and this already run localhost PSP. My admin inside this database name is a real estate underscore Laravel underscore 11. This is my database name, and this my project is available gem folder inside this htdoc directory. In this project is already open this my Sublime text editor. Let's run this directory inside means cmd. Open this directory inside. Let's run PSP artisan server and enter PSP artisan server. Enter. Successfully working fine. This URL is a copy and hit this browser. Successfully working this latest version, and this my route inside this web.php available. Inside this is a controller is already create product cart controller. This is app http controller and product cart controller. Open app http controller and product cart controller. Open this product cart controller is open, and this successfully open. The same here, copy this. Inside this new route is a create. Inside this paste here. This successfully, let's step by step. Route is a create product get route is a create. Route name is a product test route product test, and this name is the same name is a cut, and is a paste here class, and same here name is a product test here same name is a copy, and inside this paste here, and this is a /_ same is a working fine. The same copy this name. Inside this new public function is a create public function and paste here request $request. Successfully request echo, and this is a hello and die and save file. Successfully save file. Let's copy this name, this name copy, and inside this paste same name is a copy and slash. This is a slash and enter. Successfully hello is a available. This is a hello is a good working. First of all, this is a model table is already available. This product table. Let's open this product table. This is a click this product table. Inside this is a field is available. The description after new field is a status. Create this status, and let's create this is a description and click this status. Let's status. This is a status varchar, and this is a 255, and this is a pending. As default is a pending. This is a pending is a select. This status. This is varchar 25 and pending is a select. Save button. Successfully this is a all record is a pending is a available. Good working. This is a all pending. Less extra is a all remove not use. This extra is a remove. This is a remove. Successfully remove. Good working. And this is a 1453 record is a available. This successfully pending. Good working. This is a working is a fine all pending. Let's step by step implementation. This is a status. First of all, this is a open my project. Inside this model is available, and this is a new AMI create use product cart model. Inside this is a use. This is a use app. AMI folder is not available. App inside this is not available folder. First of all, this folder is a create. Successfully folder is a created. Inside this is a new file is a create. Let's new file, and PSP file is a successfully create. Successfully this file is a create, and this file is a save, and this is a save, and this is a step by step PSP start. Otherwise this remove and all implementation. Successfully implementation product status. This is a product status. Pending means pending, active, inactive, and a rejection is a implementation. Pending, active, inactive, and a reject. This is a variable inside set. Pending, accept, active, inactive, and rejection is a implementation. Inside this successfully set please write down. All good. This model is available. This model inside this is a table name is available. This is table name is a product. Let's inside this model is available. Let's open this model. Model in this is a product model. This model is available. Product model. Same here. Copy this model and inside this is a included. Use app model and this paste here successfully. Model is a include. Good working. Let's model inside this write down. This write down model inside this step by step. Write down fillable entry. Same URL is a copy. This is a URL is a copy line and inside this paste here successfully paste. And this is a fillable data protected dot fillable is equal to this is a paste here and this is a first is available. This is a name is step by step name is a set and this name is a set and protected function is a cast array is a set return and this is a status. Select this status. This is a status field is already available. Let's open this same name field is the same name is a status. Copy this field name and inside this paste here status is equal to this is already included. This product status same name is a copy and paste here in this class and this short stop successfully set. All good. Let's fillable inside this is the implementation. This is a title. First fillable is a title. Second is the implementation. This is a price. Third is available. Third is a name is a copy. This is a product code and this is a last product code after available. This is description and last is a status. This is a status is a set. Status is a set successfully implementation. All good. Save file. Please write down this file successfully. All good. And this is a inside this is a successfully set and this is a successfully set. Let's refresh this page as it is a working fine, not a issue. Good working. Let's implementation inside this remove and this is my official website errorsolutioncode.com. we are help to input 24/7. I am always available WhatsApp, Telegram and Skype and this my channel. Please subscribe and social media link is follow this Facebook, Instagram and GitHub. Let's run this project. Inside this is the implementation. All public function. Let's input input and this is a set. Input is a implementation and this is a first of all this first is available. This first is a this is a title. Same name is a title is a set. Second is a title is a gold is a set gold. Description. This is a description available. Next is available. This is a price. Price is a implementation. Price is equal to 10. Again this implementation. This is a price after available. This is a product code. Product code is a implementation. Product code is a this is a 6 number is a implementation. This is a fine. Next is a implementation. Same here description. This is a description successfully implementation. In test description and this is a close and last is available status. This is a status field is available. Same name is a copy status. Copy and paste here and paste here successfully. Product status same here available. Inside this available and this is a name is available active. Same name is a copy active. Let's active is a implementation and this is a close this. All good. Dollar product. This is a new variable create product is equal to this is a model name is available. Product model. This same name is a model and this is a create and this is a input. same name is a input and paste here. This is a good, paste here. And dd, this is a copy same name inside. This is available status field. This is a status field is available. Next field is a title and this status value. $product, this is a product, and this status, and this is a value. All good. And this, close this file and refresh this browser. Let's refresh this browser. Successfully inside. This is a available, this is a active, this is a name is a value is a active. Good, working. Let's same here inside. Just refresh this page and this is a entry is a created successfully. This is a active entry is a created. Good, working. Let's next entry is a create. This is a same name is a create. This is a new entry is a pending entry is a create. Let's same name is a inside this pending. Save file and refresh this page and this pending entry is a create. This is a pending. Let's refresh this page. Successfully inside this pending entry is a create. Please wait. This is a pending. Again this refresh this page and this is a pending is a second time is a create. All good. This is a gold is a silver. Let's set this silver. This name is a silver or any this name silver, and this is a pending and this remove. And less inactive is not available. Less inactive, save file and refresh this page, and this is the inactive search and refresh this page. Successfully gold silver, and this is an active, successfully working fine. This is last is available. This is rejected, and this is a all dynamic implementation. This is the next video. And this your doubt, so please contact this my official website. This is rejection. Let's refresh this page. Successfully all good. This rejection, all good. It is rejection. Please write down. This is a working fine. This is a simple only way. Inside this is a to implement, and this is a model inside this fillable data, otherwise not working. This is a AMI folder. Inside this file is a create. Good, working. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you.